Do your digital guides and procedures look like this? Long paragraphs and text-heavy instructions are often the business industry's standard for process documentation. Unfortunately, it's not end-user friendly. These types of guides are difficult for end users to read and follow. Hey there, I'm Jonathan with ScreenSteps. And over the past decade, I've coached hundreds of companies on how to write clear and concise guides that help end users, like customers and employees, do their job correctly and without needing to interrupt others to ask for clarification. And one of the keys to writing clear guides is to make them more scannable so that it's easier for end users to understand and follow them. So in this video, I'm going to share 7 quick tips on how to do just that. Tip number 1, include headings. Headings are especially helpful for end users who have previously performed a procedure. The headings serve as a reminder of what to do and the order to do them in. Tip number 2, break apart text. Use highlighting or background colors to emphasize specific instructions in your guides. This helps your reader's eye catch the most important details. Tip number 3, include bulleted or numbered lists. Both bulleted and numbered lists allow end users to consume a lot of information quickly. A numbered list sets a clear, consecutive order for step-by-step instructions. Tip number 4, include checklists in longer procedures. Checklists are like bulleted lists. The main difference is they're interactive. A checklist helps prevent end users from missing a step in a procedure. Tip number 5, bold certain words. This adds emphasis to certain actions and information within a sentence or paragraph, highlighting the most important parts. Tip number 6, add screenshots when there are on-screen instructions. Showing end users where to click using a picture is so much easier than trying to explain where to click using words. Finally, tip number 7, incorporate foldable sections. Foldable sections allow the end user to control how much information they want or need to help them with the procedure. Remember that digital guide we started with? If you apply these tips, here's what the digital guide looks like now. Isn't that easier to read? You can quickly glance at it as I scroll, and you can understand what's happening in this procedure. That's the power of a scannable guide. Want more tips on how to improve your step-by-step guides? Access our free on-demand webinar below, Extreme Makeover Digital Guide Edition, to get more tips for creating reliable digital guides that help your end users handle your procedures.